it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Today is release day. We have beautiful products for May. Head on over to the shop to see all the new goodies. We will be doing a live release party at 10 a.m. Central Time today. So come join me and hang out with me while I create something. So I wanted to share the products really quickly with you. And let's start with the box of the month. So for the box of the month, we have some beautiful honey and lavender themed products. So we have Tea and Honey and Serene Escape. I'm going to play with Tea and Honey for the live release party. I haven't made a card with this one yet. So I'm looking forward to play with this beautiful paper pad. Cute polka dots in there. And then these prints are just so adorable. They go really, really well with the polka dots. Beautiful florals. And I love this color palette. So, so pretty. And let me bring that up just a little bit closer so you could take a look at the images better. Really pretty. So I will be playing with this one. There's coordinating ephemera. I'll share that. We have Serene Escape and 3 stamp sets. So the box of the month and the junior box of the month are completely sold out. I have a waiting list in the description down below. If you want to get your name on there, I will be filling any spots that open through the waiting list. So what happens is if a spot opens up, I'll add one to inventory. And then you'll get a little email saying that there's one available. So you'll have to hurry up and grab it because there may be more than one person wanting that box of the month. So this is Serene Escape. There's dragonflies, cats, some solids, birds, and lavender motif. Very, very cute images with the lavender theme. There's some butterflies. Adorable paper pad. And I'll share the project that I created with this paper pad. It turned out really, really cute. The paper pads and the coordinating ephemera are available for sale individually on the website, so those are available. The only thing that's not available is the box of the month and the junior box. We do have our stamp and die of the month available. Really, really super cute. This is the Queen Bee stamp set with coordinating die. Very cute sentiments, just because, happy, oh honey, Queen Bee. Super cute. And then the Paper Pad Club is also available. If you want to join the Paper Pad Club, you do get 18% off when you subscribe. There's an option to add a ephemera pack to your Paper Pad Club subscription. It's also available as a one-time purchase. This month, the coordinating ephemera matches the Bee, My Honey Bee paper pad. Super adorable. Love this color palette. Very neutral. There's some cute cupcakes in here. I'm going to share the paper pads first. Sharing the coordinating ephemera takes the longest time, so I'm going to leave that to the end here. Let me open this up really quick. This paper pad is so adorable. You get your honeycombs. Look at those cute honey chocolate chip muffins and the honey jar. There's a cute little bee in this collection. You do get that bee in the ephemera. Beautiful floral patterns. Love this. Really, really cute. Some glitter. Love that page there. Love this one as well. So it's just a nice variety. And then I made a bunch of cards. I should probably share those as I go. This card here is from that Bee My Honeybee. So cute. Another one, and all of these cards are using the Easy Wonder Die number 1 and the ephemera that goes with it. Right now the Easy Die number 1 is sold out. The second round of pre-orders are now shipping. I've been working on that since yesterday, so those will be all going out today, tomorrow. It'll probably take me a few days to get them all out, but they're on their way. So exciting. If you missed out on the pre-orders, there'll probably be a third pre-order once we start the pre-orders for Easy Wonder Die number 2. So you'll have a chance to pre-order it again. So this one is the Lavender Dreams. It's so pretty with the purple and the gray and this blue. We've got green, and these are beautiful bokeh backgrounds, and they make great backgrounds for a scene. I love it. And then this paper here has the cutouts, so you can cut those out and create your own ephemera. That's what they look like, cut out. So cute. And then I'll show you the card I did. So this one I did by making a slit right here with an X-Acto knife and then putting this piece inside and making one big piece of ephemera. So really love how that turned out. And then here's the other one. So I used that one. And then I stamped out Just Because, and then used that cute little bee. That is from the Stamp of the Month. So gorgeous patterns in here. And you get 4 sheets of the cutouts, so you'll have plenty of ephemera. And then the last card here that I did is using that Tranquil Pause stamp set. It says buzzing by to say hi. And then the background paper is from the Lavender Dreams, which is the paper I just shared. And then I created this cute little box. It's a pizza box with a belly band. And this is using the Serene Escape collection. So the paper and the coordinating ephemera. So this is how the box looks. Super cute. I have a tutorial on my channel members. There's a little join button if you look down below. It's next to the subscribe button. You can click on that to read more about our channel membership. You can elect exclusive content over there. And then I made some little note cards to go inside. They turned out really, really sweet. So this is all using the ephemera and the paper. Really, really cute. Just cute little note cards. I decided not to add sentiments. I could just write a note or stamp out a sentiment later. Like put one right there on this little flag. For whatever I needed, if it's a thank you card or just a note. But it's just it makes a cute gift, or you can make it for yourself and just a cute little holder to hold your note cards. So I thought it was really fun. And then let's get to the ephemera for the lavender paper pad and the honey paper pad. So this one goes with the honey paper pad. So the tea and honey. I'll put a picture of all of this laid out for you. I'll bring a couple of the images up close so you can see them in more detail. So here's a closer look at those beautiful images. I'm going to add a photo so you can see all of them laid out. They're just so cute. And this one goes with the Serene Escape. There's a little butterfly left in there, but let me put some of them up close so you can see how beautiful these are. And then I'll leave a photo so you could see everything laid out. Isn't that pretty? And then we'll take a look at the cute little honey, our Be My Honeybee ephemera. This one matches the Paper Pad Club this month. It's got these really cute chocolate chip honey donuts, and these honey pots are adorable. There's this cute little bee and the florals in here. You get some sentiments in here as well. And I'll bring that up close so you could take a better look at the detail there. And then I'll lay out the photo for you. And then I wanted to share a paper pad that was recently released called Elegance and Grace. It has these beautiful dragonfly images on the inside that you can cut out and create your own ephemera. And I have 2 cards to share. Really pretty, beautiful paper. I've gotten some great reviews about this paper pad. A couple customers emailed me personally and said how much they loved this paper pad. So here are the photos that you can cut out. There's also this one here that says, "Magic is seeing wonder in nature's every little thing." So really, really beautiful. The colors are stunning. You get 4 of those sheets, and I'll share the 2 cards I created. So here's the first one. I stamped out "Just Thinking of You Today," and then used a bunch of the patterns with the cutouts. You could kind of see the 2 different looks. This one I left a white border around the images. This one I cut right on the black line. And this is the one cut right on the line. And this one says, "You're more than a mom, you're a friend." So that one would make a great Mother's Day card. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the brand new releases for May. Thanks for shopping, guys. I really do appreciate it. And come join me at 10 a.m. for a little crafty session right here on YouTube. Take care, guys.